Hi everyone, my name is Sean and I go camping. Right, so I know there's three of us, all this gear. You'd think we were camping for a week. We're not. We're camping for merely one night only. Look at all this. You know, glamping. It's more glamping this. Yep. We've got a car full. Absolute loads of camping gear. We're not going to be short of anything.
All you young sailormen, listen to me. I'll sing you a song of the fish in the sea. And it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys. When the wind blows, we're all together, boys. Blow ye winds westerly, blow ye winds blow. Jolly sou'wester, boys, steady she go. Up jumps the eel with a slippery tail, climbs up aloft and reefs the topsail. And it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys. When the wind blows, we're all together, boys. Blow ye winds westerly, blow ye winds blow. Jolly sou'wester, boys, steady she go. And then up jumps the shark with his 9 rows of teeth, saying, you eat the dough, boys, and I'll eat the beef.
It's on though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, okay.
It's on, mate.
This is Sean setting up his tent for the first time.
I'm zipping this up so then bugs don't get in.
You've got two there. You've got an inner mesh and that black thing. You don't have to have that yellow bit on.
How do you do that then?
I think you got to do it. Have to do it from inside.
Oh. Okay.
You'd have to get inside to do that.
Right.
So yeah.
Zip it up. Keep them bugs out and mosquitoes.
We're not in jungle, you know.
Christ, the voice is hard work. Good God. It's an 8 workout.
Kev's nearly good, is?
I'm nearly there. Tell the viewers the problem, Nick. The problem we have at the moment with pegs.
Oh yeah, the problem we have at the moment is none of us melonheads decided to bring a mallet. That's his experience. How thick are we? It will be. You're supposed to do it from outside.
Hey?
You're supposed to do it from outside, so you're not actually laid on ground sheet.
What do you do from outside?
From other door, you muppet.
And where do they connect to?
You got to peg them down.
Oh, inside?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I've got some spare pegs then. So, I probably didn't explain it very clearly in the first video, the dark sky camping video. Now, I'm a novice at camping. This is only my second time, and we are here. I'm with Mick and Kev, who's behind his tent at the moment. This is Withernsea. Oh, it's just outside of Withernsea, more or less. That's Withernsea over there in the distance, and we are on this field. This is Holham Airfield camping site, and yeah, we're really impressed with this so far. I mean, it's quiet at the moment, as you can see. We have got nobody near us, not really. That car there is the closest people to us, and this is what we want. Considering in the last camping video we got told off for making a noise. We shouldn't really have a problem here, not that we're making any noise anyway. But yeah, the site is lovely. There's a shower block just at the back there, toilets, There's even a little reception hut. We're not being in, we don't really know what that's for. Because you just ring up when you come to the gate and basically check in just over the phone. We are right next to the cliff top. And as you can see, got a wind farm in the distance. And yeah, you see it's right here, it's just at the bottom of this cliff top. Quite choppy at the moment as well, it's quite windy today. So, but all in all, it's lovely, the sun's out. It's about 17 degrees, the wind is making it feel a little bit cooler, but not too much. But yeah, this is nice. This is nice, and we've just settled. I'll show you. Unlike the last camp at Robin Hood's Bay, where the what's up? What are you sat on?
It's got your fucking keys up the arse.
Let's put them on side.
Your front foot day.
That'll make my eyes water.
As I was saying, unlike the last camp where we went down to Robin Hood's Bay and got some food, we're going to do our own cooking today. We've been to Aldi's, we've got some burgers. I'm just gonna make some nice burgers with cheese, a bit of burger sauce. Well, I've got some chili jam. How do you feel about that? Get a bit of chili jam. Yeah. Mick's got some tame burger sauce. Yeah, we're gonna have some nice burgers. And then tomorrow, we weren't sure whether we were just gonna cook a bit of breakfast or go into Withernsea and get a cafe, go to a cafe, but we've decided we'll go to a cafe and get a full English. I think that's the best thing we can do. At the moment though, we've got Kev there, and we've got Mick there. He's about to put a foot kettle on and make a brew when he can get into water. And I'm sat here with a Thatcher's Blood Orange cider, beautiful. So yeah, just gonna chill out a bit now. Oh yes. Now burger time. Mick's cooking away there. We've got all sorts. We've got some nice big Aberdeen Angus burgers, some smash burgers.
Like a fucking mad chef out of Muppets. Birdie, birdie, bird. Birdie, birdie, bird.
We've got some jalapeno chili jam, cheese slices, some bread cakes. I've got some sliced tomato. Mick and Kev aren't bothered about that. We've even got some burger boxes. Look at these. Look at them. Oh aye, we don't know things by halves.
Divine.
Divine. This little burger box, look. McDonald's, eat your heart out. Mixed burgers.
A bit like mixed spice. Was it mixed herbs?
Mixed herb.
Mixed herb.
This is my baby, look at that. That is a double cheeseburger, double smash burger. I've got a bit of tomato on the bottom there, slice of tomato.
That's a McDonald's.
That's better than a McDonald's.
No, it's a McDonald's.
A McDonald's. I've got some crispy onions on top and some jalapeno jam. I've got a bit of burger sauce at the bottom with my tomato. That is beautiful. Look at that. McDonald's. Oh,
McDonald's.
it is actually, isn't it?
Yeah, better than I thought it was going to be, if I'm honest.
So, this is the tent that I've just recently purchased, and it's a OEX coyote free. I'll do you a little bit of a walk around. Mine is exactly the same as Mick's. Mick's got the same model. Basically, me and Mick, we did go outdoors in Doncaster to get this tent. The first camping trip I just borrowed one of Kev's spare tents, but obviously I needed one for myself, so, and I did like the look of Mick's last time, so it's nice and spacious. It's low down, unlike Kev's, which has got more height to it. But yeah, what I liked about it is this like porch area. So that's your sleeping quarter, and then this here, it's just like a little porch area, as I call it. It opens either side. I can open that side if I want to, but I've got this side open today, right next to Mick's, facing Mick's. Take it inside. I've got a zip. We have got a fly screen. I don't want to open it too much because it's absolutely flooded with bugs. I don't want them getting in. But I've got this double mattress. I actually borrowed it off my mum and dad. My mum told me, she says, we've got a double mattress if you want to tell us. I said, I'll try it. I've got my sleeping bag, and then this. I've just bought this today. I forgot my pillow. This was just from Pound Stretcher. It's a memory foam one, nice and firm. But yeah, a lovely big area. My lamp, which is also a power bank as well, acts as a power bank, that my daughter sent for me from one of the websites. I'll do a review of that separately, but yeah, this is it. Like I said, covered it up, but it has got a fly screen, so when I'm laid in there, if I want a bit of air getting in or whatever, I can just unzip that internal sheet and we're good to go. It's a bit of a mess in here because we've got all cooking stuff and food and snap and my camping bag, cool box with hot beers in, and then a bag for my clothes. But yeah, got quite a few spiders that are wanting to make their little home in here. I think the spiders are actually just eating away at these bugs. There's just millions of bugs. Little beetles. But yeah, this porch area, it's not like a sealed unit, it's just like a sheet, a ground sheet. Brilliant, brilliant tent, love it to bits. In the background is some what looks like heavy showers. There's a bit of thunder as well in the distance. Now it's hard to say whether it's going to come across here. The windsock down there is actually, I know there's not a lot of wind, but it's blowing towards us, so technically there's nothing over there, it's just clear sky, so it should be blowing away from us, but you just never know. Yeah, it's looking grim over there. And to be honest, it has cooled down quite a lot. It's weird how quickly temperatures and weather can change, really. When we got here, it was fairly cool, there was a wind, a breeze, and then all of a sudden the breeze just dropped. It was lovely. The sun went out, completely clear skies, it was gorgeous. We've been chilling out on us chairs, and then it's weird, all of a sudden the wind picked up again, but it was a lot cooler. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We may find out just how waterproof these 3 tents are very shortly. And here it comes. He's now chucking it down. Oh, it's coming down now. Woohoo! Wow. Really hope this tent is waterproof. Right. I think it is actually thundering as well. There it is. You can hear it. Wow. Holding up alright so far. We're just in porch area. Slowing down. I think they're just showers, really. Although the weather did say on my weather app that rain until about 2 o'clock in the morning, so it could be it. It could be hunker down, get laid out on my mattress, maybe watch a bit of YouTube on my phone, because if the weather app is right, I ain't getting back out of this tent. Oh well, unless I need toilet. So earlier we were all outside, we were just having a nice cup of tea, and Kev noticed the storm rolling in again, because we had a brief respite from it from earlier on. We had a really heavy downpour. That dispersed, and like I said, went back outside, sat down, having a cuppa and a chat. Like I said, Kev noticed coming back in, and yeah, we've had to, well, I mean it's late now anyway, so we've all come back to us tents, gone inside us tents. Quite exciting really. I mean, this is my second time camping, first time that I've actually experienced a really hard downfall of, you know, a rainfall, so quite exciting, but yeah, it certainly makes for entertainment. It's died down a little bit again, and actually we had the wind got up as well, giving the tent quite a battering. So, but luckily these, I mean, Mick recommended this to me because he already owns one, Coyote Free by OEX, which Mick tells me it's a Go Outdoors brand anyway, so you know, it's a really good tent, it's trustworthy. So, but yeah, just hunkering down now. Hopefully I get a decent bit of kip, even if I just get a couple of hours, I'll be happy. It's a lot more, it'll be more than last time, which I only had probably an hour at most. But yeah, sunrise tomorrow morning is at 4:40, so with a bit of luck might be able to get up in time for that and see it, if it's clear. Hopefully see sun come up. I don't think I'll be fast on at that time. I don't know why. I'm not sure I'll be able to sleep properly. But anyway, yeah, I'm in my sleeping bag. I've just been watching a bit of YouTube, and it's about 11:15 now, so I'm going to try and get a bit of kip, and hopefully get a few hours sleep. But yeah, it's an experience. You know, like I say, it's only my second time camping, and I've experienced thunderstorm earlier, a slight one, heavy rain, wind. Yeah, so I suppose I'm getting to grips with this camping malarkey. Anyway, next time I'll speak to you will be in the morning. Yeah, what a crazy night. At least early hours this morning we were battered with winds and heavy rain, but we survived. We did survive. This morning Kev shut my tent. Look, I was half asleep, but it says, you know, there's a nice sunrise, so I got up, filmed a bit of sunrise, but unfortunately my camcorder battery was dead, or it was dying, so I couldn't really film much more. But it was absolutely freezing this morning as well. I got 3 t-shirts on. I didn't bring a jacket with me. Yeah, so, and it's too cold, so I got back at 10 and I went back to sleep. I got a decent night's sleep, certainly much better than the first camp, so I'm pleased with that. The one thing I did find, and I have just been speaking to Mick, is this mattress. It was quite cold last night coming from underneath this mattress, so I don't know, I might have to invest in a new mattress, a proper camping mattress. Anyway, Kev's just brewing up get some water because we're going to have a cup of tea. And then we'll get up, potter about, and then get everything ready. And then we're going to go into Withernsea and have a little, well, we're going to try and find a cafe for some breakfast. Nice big English fry up. Nice.